welcome back viewers and subscribers. So Stalk Ashley, not Assault Ashley, please. We are gonna talk about that. Also Sha'Carri exposed this girlfriend of hers, which is a Jamaican athlete, guys. So subscribe and like it for your first time. Welcome, guys. So Sha'Carri Richardson back again in the media with a lot of useful stuff for us, 100-meter sprinter. So basically this young lady made a post on her Instagram saying protect yourself because I was in a wall hack. You see, guys. So that followed with some other posts like I was in a relationship with a Jamaican athlete that never cared about me from the jump. I was abused and stole from yet protected her from the judgment of her country and family while they dragged me. I had to deal with homophobic and so much more that I'm still healing from. Guys, so that, had a lot of people contemplating who is this girl. So you don't know, we go forward and people them, research, find what them can find, and this is her. I mean, the people them don't know her name as yet, guys, but why know if it is private? The people them just, I said, she just want to, make that person they feel it. Said way. So guys, you don't know Stalk Ashley have this video with this man up on the stage. People want to see the full video, so here. Yeah, man, peeps. So if you no look close, you see when them step over one bar thing go weird on the stage. I know how them pass sicky and everything, but don't do that to the girl them, you mad? Don't do that. Look how your Foota hypothesis.
Security doing their job. No, he not deserve it still. They could have escorted him off the stage. If it was a woman run upon the stage, them would I do that? How him pass the security in the first place and reach from the stage? It could be a situation where he could have hurt her. Come now, man, comment up now, people. Let me see, man. If I did some mix up and some gossip, me I could have comment million times, I would not go like I'm afraid to comment on a situation, Security should be more alert because he should not reach that close to her. How the comment them take so long to come in? The man wrong. I agree with the security. Alright, since nobody now to comment, I'm going to give my opinion on the whole situation. The security did absolutely right to fling him off a stage. Zine, the security have all the right to fling him off a stage. Listen to me now and listen to me carefully. As a star, as a public figure, people don't know how to act. You see, internet start make regular people feel like them a star a size. You hold your composure, a man like them, they will rape. Zine, Gaga, if you watch a video good, man, him come up on the stage when she work. But the security actually I watch Mayan, look like a... Why I keep saying Mayan? Stalk Ashley security. Like him there to protect Stalk Ashley. So him is not the stage security or the stage manager. Zine? So, what me I say now? You see the girl on stage, I sing her song, and a whole her vibe. You see she looks sexy and everything. You just get up out of your cotton picking mind and feel like say you can just run up on stage and go push up your body upon the girl. That's a violation. She not even see him. The way it happened for us, Gaga, them couldn't just take him off. Him done push up himself on the woman already. And I push up him hood on her bottom. You crazy? You mad? Fling him off. Him could have been the biggest gunman in Jamaica and him got 8 foot and now I'm in a business. I'm in a business. You don't run, go impose yourself on the artist that work on the stage. You remember one next video where the youth that work back in Africa and the boy run up on the stage and try kiss the man? The man have to fling him fat. These things are crazy. Them things are crazy. You mad? Hold on, you know. Then him could have see Junior gang on stage and run up on stage. Not even a woman can run up on stage when them all of them are work. A levels to this thing, yeah. Levels to this thing and up in a ramp. You mad? Run up on which stage? Go push up your body pan. Ooh, you crazy, man. Him out of line, him out of pocket, him out, him rude. Him violate. Years ago, about 2002, Bounty Killer keep It's a Party up a Cinema View up a New Kingston there, sir. Media play rhythm and ladies perform. And ladies call me. They sit up on the record box and she come dance for me. So I do my little roll and go back around the sound and mix. And a boy run up. The way ladies deal with him and diss him. Ladies said, boy, move. I want you. Him where you see me just wine pan our co-worker, you know. Our selector, you know. That a company business. Not feel like a free-for-all running, come wine up. Go. Ladies are dissing that up on camera and good I can't find it. She diss him. What you mean? Oh, you have to just see the girl on stage. Alright, first thing. And I like Stalk Ashley say, I want a man come up here, so. Ray. Gaga said, not saying him right, but me just feel like them could have take him off and not push him off. Just my thoughts. You see the way him come on quick and slide through the middle stage and you see if him never touch her, then would understand say you can take him off. If them did see him before him reach to her and say, dog, not do that what you do on the stage, come off. But you done go violate the girl already. Interrupt the girl performance. Because if you look, she jump off. So you don't know if the girl man there. You don't know if the girl man the backstage or what. You don't do that. Then if you control them on in this, control them, look how flirty, flighty behavior. Go sit down, my youth. What you mean? Or you just sit perform up on stage and run on and a chuck on yourself. You idiot. You mad? You don't know what kind of internal issues the girl have. You don't know if most female have molestation issue or people abuse them already or what. You don't know, you don't even know you're gonna send up on the girl pressure. For the girl I sing. And I sing to the crowd. And you come from behind and push up your hood on the girl. What you mean, my youth? The way the girl frightened to, Him forget that, man. I want to you. I'm not sorry for you, man. I want to you, man. I want to you, man. What's wrong with you, man? You see me now, I look at jaw foot, dirty foot slippers and in good all green. You don't do that, my youth. You don't do that. You think I can see Mariah Carey on stage and run go shoot up your body upon her, Janet Jackson or Rihanna and none of them? What you talk about, my youth? You're crazy. As bad as things being, couldn't do that to Spice neither. Spice would have probably conk him in the head with the mic. On a serious level. Probably I wouldn't do security push him off, you know. As Spice would have kick him off on stage, you know. Me and I have a friend, but I have to talk the truth. Yeah. Should have probably conk him in the middle of the mic. I want him man or kick him down, man. I want him man. Exactly. Them say I saw the fan run on and stop the tennis player. See what the fans run on pa Dave Chappelle. And I saw this thing at work. No danger kid, him go low. Him lucky. Him lucky. I want him man. Him lucky that alone him get my youth. I don't like him even climb up on the front of the stage where she see me now. She not see me now. Somebody say, what if he had a concussion after the push? That I would have him business. Him an artist, him a part of our performance, him a part of our act. Or you reach on stage and push up your body upon the woman. What you mean? But what if him did a concussion? I would have him business that he would have to go check Russian. And make Russian put a plaster upon him head. And head concussion? What you mean? Oh, him reach upon the stage, she push up him hood upon the girl. Where she never see him. The girl a sing to the crowd. You go from behind the stage, run up your little self and push up your body upon the girl.